Radiating brilliance, Fuzhou Thermojinn Reftech Company Limited owes its success to an unwavering commitment to technological advancement and innovation, driving progress in the refrigeration and HVAC sectors. Established by a team of experienced and passionate HVAC professionals, the company has created the ThermoJinn brand, serving as a vital link between global demand and Chinese manufacturing. The ThermoJinn brand reflects our team's dedication to excellence and forward-thinking solutions, with a strong presence in international markets. We specialize in advanced concrete cooling technologies for critical infrastructure projects. Leveraging state-of-the-art ISM water cooling systems, we precisely control curing temperatures, mitigating risks such as thermal cracking and structural vulnerabilities, thereby ensuring uncompromised concrete integrity. ThermoJinn's modular designs provide flexible, efficient, and reliable solutions across various project scales, from high-rise buildings to large-scale hydropower dam projects. ThermoJinn Reftech partners with industry leaders like Danfoss, Hembo, Beza, Moontech, AMG, and EasyCode to push the boundaries of refrigeration technology, continuously expanding our product offerings from semi-hermetic refrigeration compressors, monoblocks, and chillers to specialized tools and accessories, along with comprehensive OEM and ODM services. We deliver energy-efficient, high-performance product lines tailored to diverse customer needs. Our commitment is to become the trusted HVAC and refrigeration supply partner for clients worldwide. Guided by our commitment to quality and excellence in service, ThermoJinn looks forward to shaping the future of global temperature control in collaborations with partners across the globe.